Hello friends, how are you? My name is Divam. Welcome to my YouTube channel Divam's Incraft. Friends, today I am going to tell you about some facts about the universe. Friends, I share one informative videos in my YouTube channel. If you like the video, kindly subscribe and share it to your friends and family members. Let's start the video. What is a neutron star? Neutron stars are formed when a massive star runs out of fuel and collapses. Neutron stars are the densest object in the universe. It can rotate 600 times in a second on its own axis. What is a kilonova? A kilonova is a transient astronomical event that occurs in compact binary system when two neutron stars or a neutron star and a black hole merge. Which is the biggest star ever discovered? Stephenson 218 or ST 218 is a red supergiant or red hypergiant star located in the constellation Scutum, also catalogued as Stephenson 2 DFK1 and RSG C218. It is the current record holder for the largest star known with a current size 2150 times that of the Sun. Which is the biggest black hole in the universe? TAN 618 is the most massive black hole observed so far in the universe. NASA has revealed that it tips the scales at 66 billion times the Sun's mass. What is gamma rays? Gamma rays have the smallest wavelengths and the most energy of any wave in the electromagnetic spectrum. They are produced by the hottest and the most energetic objects in the universe, such as neutron stars and pulsars, supernova explosions, and regions around black holes. What is a magnetar? A magnetar is a type of neutron star with an extremely powerful magnetic field. The magnetic field decay powers the emission of high energy electromagnetic radiation, particularly X-rays and gamma rays. The existence of magnetars was proposed in 1992 by Robert Duncan and Christopher Thomson. What is a blazar? Blazars are the most powerful sources of emissions across the electromagnetic spectrum and are observed to be sources of high energy gamma ray photons. Blazars are highly variable sources, often undergoing rapid and dramatic fluctuations in brightness on short time scales. What is dark matter? Dark matter is a hypothetical form of matter thought to account approximately 85% of the matter in the universe. What is dark energy? Dark energy in physical cosmology and astronomy, dark energy is an unknown form of energy that affects the universe on the largest scales. Why is space very cold? Far outside our solar system and out past the distant reaches of our galaxy in the vast nothingness of space, the distance between gas and dust particles grows, limiting their ability to transfer heat. Temperatures in these vacuous regions can plummet to about minus 455 degrees Fahrenheit or 2.7 Kelvin. Why is space dark? In space or on the moon, there is no atmosphere to scatter light. The light from sun travels a straight line without scattering and all the colors stay together. Looking toward the sun, we thus see a brilliant white light, while looking away we would see only the darkness of empty space. What color is the sun? It is a common misconception that the sun is yellow or orange or even red. However, the sun is essentially all colors mixed together, which appear to our eyes as white. This is easy to see in pictures taken from space. Rainbows are light from the sun separated into its colors. Why is space silent? This is because sound travels through the vibrations of particles and space is a vacuum. On Earth, sound mainly travels to your ears by the way of vibrating air molecules. But in few near empty regions of space, there are no or very few particles to vibrate. So no sound. What is space made of? Outer space is not completely empty. It is a near perfect vacuum containing a low density of particles, predominantly a plasma of hydrogen and helium, as well as electromagnetic radiations, magnetic fields, neutrinos, dust and cosmic rays. I hope you find the video very informative. Thanks for watching my video. Meet you again in my next video. Until then, bye bye.